What's up guys, today I just got a quick video showing you how to swap out your low beam bulbs on a 2005 Silverado. Alright, so as you can see, my left side here is burnt out. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and just pop the hood. Alright, so next up we got to go ahead and pull the headlight housing out. So we got these things right here. We're just going to twist this up and wiggle this out. And it'll kind of rub on this thing right here, but it'll be fine. And just set that to the side somewhere where you won't lose it. And just like that, our housing is free. So we want to go ahead and just kind of ease this out a little bit. So our low beams are on the outsides. So this is the low beam right here. And as you can see if I can get an angle on that. So as you can see right here, it's got like a locking mechanism on it. So you're just going to want to turn it counterclockwise, and then you'll see that they will all line up. The notches on the side of the bulb will line up with these notches. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and remove this blue clip right here, and it is just clipped on either side. So you're just going to have to pull the two sides apart and then pull it backwards. Towards the back, just like this. And that should come off. And then for this gray clip right here, I'm just gonna take a screwdriver and you just wanna pry this off while pushing the light bulb out. And some of these might be a little bit crusted on there, so you just got to be patient with it and just do your best to wiggle it off of there. There we go. You can just set that one to the side, and then I got my new bulbs, so I'm going to go ahead and pull one out. And you want to make sure that you do not touch the glass of these bulbs. Just only touch the plastic, because with the glass, what'll happen is you'll get oil on there and then it will burn hotter and it will make the bulbs not last as long. So I got my new bulb here, and then without touching it, I'm gonna go ahead and get it plugged in and put back together just the way the other one was. So we just gotta plug that in, make sure it clicks, and then we got our little blue piece, and the wires go through these two little notches on the bottom. And it's kind of tricky. To make sure you don't touch the glass, but just do your best. There we go, got that clipped on. And then we can go ahead and just put it in the same way we took it out. So we're gonna have to put it in, and then we're gonna have to line up the notches. So there we go, they lined up. And then once you get it in there, you just gotta twist it. And then you just wanna get this pushed back in there the way it was before. And you got these two holes that you know that you need to line up, so it's a good judge of where it's going to go. And then we got our metal piece. And you just want to get that thing, wiggle it in there. And then make sure you line it up with that same notch and get it pushed in there. And then now we can go ahead and check to make sure that they're working. And there you have it. And for this right side, I don't need to replace my right side because it's still working, and I got the same kind of bulb in there anyways, so they both match. But for this right side, obviously it'll be the same thing, so it should be easy enough for you. I hope the video is helpful, and I'd love to hear any other video recommendations. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please have a great day.